What up, y'all? I'm gonna take you through my day in my life of being a 19-year-old entrepreneur slash day trader.
Damn. And bitch, don't check me, bitch. Check the air quality.
Crazy, man. I'm blessed.
No. Yeah.
We out here.
And shit. You know what I'm saying? $500 fans and shit. You know what I'm saying? That shit's something slight though, you know what I mean?
I just got done doing my pre-market analysis. I'm gonna hop on live stream with my inner circle, live traded with them, and shit, hopefully we bank. Let's see. Let's go. W's in the chat. W trading. Let's go. Funded's up 2K already today. W day so far. W day so far. All right, y'all. I just hopped off of the live stream. We're inside of a swing trade right now. We're just gonna let it run for a couple hours here, and hopefully we print. But yeah, I had a good bias. Felt great today on the charts, and I think we're gonna do great and make a lot of money. And as we are undefeated for the week, I think we're gonna keep it going. So while my trade runs, I'm gonna go ahead and make a smoothie. I make this smoothie every day. I have Santa Cruz protein powder, I have honey, I have bananas, I have frozen fruits, blackberries, strawberries, blueberries, and I put some grass-fed milk in there, some honey, I don't know if I said that before, peanut butter, whew. Chef's kiss right there. It's gas, and it's good for you too. Shout out Santa Cruz, sponsor me. I have your electrolytes, I have your protein powder. Come on. Every single morning, I literally have to wake up and immediately chug a whole entire bottle of these electrolytes, or else I literally don't feel good for the rest of the day. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's like an addiction, but I have to have these electrolytes every single day before I leave the house, or else I just don't feel right. So the plan for today is probably gonna be me eat, make my smoothie, you know, keep checking my trade out, checking the charts, see what's happening in the charts today. And then I'm gonna go tan midday. I'm gonna have my PM session with my inner circle, live stream, trade that. And I'm gonna get some food, maybe get some groceries, maybe take a spin in the Mercedes, just a beach drive or something. And yeah, I'm gonna go hang out with CRV Trades. He's a new trader that I just saw on Instagram. We're gonna hit a collab, get some dinner, get some food on the water. Hopefully get some content in there, and yeah, it should be a fun day, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. All right, guys, a little change of plans. My student just texted me saying he needed a one-on-one call ASAP. He needs to learn a couple things that he missed in the AM session of my live trading in my Discord. So I'm gonna call him up, give him some sauce, teach him, and I'll go back to my routine. But again, guys, like, I'm so blessed to be able to teach people like this. You know, they can text me whenever they want and say, yo, Dukes, I need to freshen up on this concept, that concept, on the strategy, whatever. And I'm able to hop on my desk, call them, and give them all the information they need to never have to ask about it again. That's just the luxury that my students have in my mentorship, being able to text me personally on my personal phone number whenever they want to get a call in to understand a concept better and for me to teach them. Shout out to all my mentorship students, man. They're the real goats, swear. All of them, bro. I mean, a couple days ago, one of my students passed his funded account with 100% win rate. I know, yes, sometimes he does copy trade off of, you know, my live streams, and that's part of the mentorship. But being able to not know how to trade a couple months ago to being able to have an 100% win rate passing a funded account, that just shows you how much value is inside of my mentorship and how much actual care I take with my students. And all I'm saying is, if you're not in the next mentorship, you're doing something wrong. After my AM session, I usually like to get, you know, some sun out here, beautiful view, just chill out here for a minute, journal about my AM session, see what I did wrong and see what I did right, you know, get some feedback from that and just move on with my day. I forget about it, right? If I'm in a swing, I set and forget. If I'm only took one trade, if I lost, don't care, on to the next, right? And that's simply just the mindset you have to have in order to be profitable. Shout out my dude. Shout out my dude, cleaning up the grass and shit. Nah, but look at this view. Crazy, man, I'm blessed. If it wasn't for trading, I would not be here. I would not be here. I wouldn't have this view. I wouldn't have this lifestyle if I didn't learn how to press buy and sell on some green and red candles. Simple as that. So I'm going down to the pool to tan. I just hit first TP on my swing trade, so I'm gonna let it run. I put my stop loss to break even, so I have no more risk left. So I'm going to the pool to tan. This is just a freedom, another freedom aspect of being a day trader. And it's so rewarding because I have no anxiety about how this trade's going. I'm not on the charts 24/7 looking at 1 minute candles going up and down. So I'll see you guys outside. Ooh. Beautiful. We out here, bro. Honestly, by summertime, if I'm not like caramel color or like I could pass as like Indian, I don't want it. So that's why I'm tanning so much, to be honest. Hey, gotta get that beach bod ready. Come on now. If you don't live in Florida, what are you doing? It is literally April 24th. I mean, it's been sunny for like a month and a half already. I mean, the cold season was about 4 days total, but I mean, come on, dude. Come on, man. Holy dude, the sun was burning me to pieces out there. Look at this. You can't even see it, bro. I'm too white, bro, I swear. I want to get to like an Indian color. Nothing against Indian people, but I want to get to that color because I feel like I'd be pretty OP after that. But I came back upstairs to take PM session with my inner circle and live trade with them. But I saw that price was consolidating and inside of a zone for way too long. And it's already about 2:24 PM right now. So at this point, I'm not even trading. I'm taking my day, taking my green that I had this morning. So I won one trade in the AM. Now I'm not going to take a PM trade. So I am green on the day. That's another winning day. That's all week. I haven't lost one time. And just for example, like something like this, like if you see prices in a zone like this, don't trade. Don't trade. What's the point of trading? Because there's no breakouts, there's no strategy, and there's no setup. So what's the point of even trading? Especially if you're having a green day, especially if you want to trade in the morning. Why force a trade in the PM session just to trade? There's no point. There's no point. Greed's gonna get you, but stay in the green, don't take another trade, and wait till tomorrow. There's always gonna be a tomorrow. So since I'm not trading for PM session, I'm gonna hit the gym real quick, hit a nice buy back pump maybe, I don't know, maybe some legs. Yeah, so after that, I'm gonna get ready to have some dinner with one of my fellow trader friends, CRV Trades. Haven't met him yet, seems like a cool dude. I'm gonna be taking you guys with me on that, and we're gonna make some content, it'll be fun. So yeah, I'll see you there. This really never gets old, bro, I swear. Look at this. Ooh.
Trying to make me be the bad guy. Telling people that bitch you a damn lie. Call me your ex, young nigga feeling paralyzed. When you don't go, can't stop, fuck a red light. 150 for the nails. I might put that bad bitch in Chanel. I pull back when that shit feel real. She want the Molly, she want the pills. I throw 150 for the nails. I might put that bad bitch in Chanel. I pull back when that shit feel real. She want the.
All right, fellas, just got back from the gym. Solid leg pump, as you can see. Hit legs, squats, leg press. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to the crib, get all ready for dinner, and then head out. I'm gonna be answering some of your guys' questions through his Q&A in his video, so go and check that out if you're wondering. This is the day in the life. Let's get it. I honestly don't know why I copped this garage just for this whip, but the only reason was when I was going into the parking garage, I almost like scratched my side of the car every single time on like this random cone. So I was like, all right, screw it, bro. Add $250 a month to my rent because I just want this garage just for it to sit pretty like that. That's some trader stuff right there. I don't even know. I know I just said I'm going to dinner, but had to whip up some burgers. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm just hungry. I'm a hungry guy. I like food. I like ground beef. Everyone in my Discord knows that. We're undefeated this week, so that means steaks for dinner every night. So I got to eat ground beef for lunch, I guess. But yeah, that shit looks bust. Ooh. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this real quick, shower, and then I'll be on my way to dinner. All right, guys, I'm ready to head out to dinner. This is the Fit. Looking fresh, and I'll see you guys at dinner, and we're gonna make some good content, so stay tuned. All right, what's good, boys? Met up with the boy, getting some food here at this nice restaurant on the marina. About to get some content in. We're lit, let's get it. We're getting over our public filming fear here. Got this big ass camera in the middle. Let's get it.
That quality good?
Yeah, bro, it's good. Look at that shit. Hold on.
That's fire.
Yeah. All right, we just got the food. Got me some grouper and grits. I don't even know what's on top of there. Let's see what you got. Chicken tenders, hell yeah. All right, we just got done with dinner. He's gonna take his first rip inside of the Duke's Whip, Duke's Mobile. How do you fuck with it? You like it?
It's tough, bro. It makes me want to get a Mercedes, bro. I don't know what I'm getting yet, but this low-key, I'm gonna do some research later. I'm not gonna lie, it's tough.
It's a pretty underrated car.
Very underrated, yeah.
I got it because like I didn't want to go too big for my first one. Like this is my first car that I bought like by myself.
Yeah.
So I didn't want to go too hard, you know, get what everyone else has, like a Vet or something like that. I mean, ups to those people who do that. Like those are fire. Like those are one of my dream cars, but super blessed. Thank God every single day. And yeah, we're gonna take a spin in here and see how he likes it. Showing the boy the crib, seeing what he thinks about it.
Oh, does it? Okay.
CRV's reaction. This ain't the crib, but one of the amenities.
Yo, this is tough, bro. What the heck? Bro, this would be such a tough spot to chill, bro. Like, can you go out?
Checking out the view here. I mean, we look like we're at a Miami high-rise, personally. I don't know about you, but we're definitely not in Miami. But one day, in the summer, we're gonna be, we'll be there in the summer. But yeah, I mean, this is the day in life. It's about 9 p.m. right now. We had some dinner, you know, filmed some content, and we're just talking right now about a bunch of stuff, you know, telling each other about our goals and what we want in life, and really motivating each other. And we were talking about one thing. It was like, what if he never DM'd me to collab? What if he never took action and put himself out there?
Yeah.
He maybe he was vulnerable, nervous, whatever.
Yeah.
But if he didn't do that, we wouldn't be in this position. We wouldn't have this content. We wouldn't create a friendship now, you know, connection in business and stuff like that. So, I mean, if you have any thoughts about like that.
Nah, dude, like literally, like take action. Like, do the things that make you uncomfortable. Like, if I would have not done that in my career, then I would not be anywhere where I am now. I'm sure you can say the same things. Like, bro, in high school, I was making cringy TikToks, bro. Like, and I'm so glad I did, because that set me up for the position I am now. Like, do the things that people are gonna talk bad about, bro. Like, do things that are gonna make you nervous. Do things that are gonna make you uncomfortable. That's how you grow, right? That's how you grow. So just don't be scared. Like, even if it's sending DMs to someone you want to collab with, or sending DMs to someone you look up to, just showing support. Do it. They might not answer. Worst thing that can happen is they don't answer, right? Just do it, bro. Like, that's my biggest advice in everything in life. Just do it. Stop talking about it.
Just do.
Yeah. That's my biggest pet peeve, bro, is when people like talk about things that they want to do. Like, they talk about their goals. All they do is talk.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, talking doesn't do anything. You can have the coolest idea, the best goals. You might have 100%, like, a plan that literally would work if you did it, but you're just not taking action because of something internal. So just get over it, bro. That's my biggest advice, because I can speak from experience. If I would have stopped because of the hate, or would have stopped because I got nervous, I would have been so disappointed that I wouldn't be where I am right now. So I'm so glad where I am right now. So, and I'm sure you can say the same. Like,
absolutely, yeah.
Yeah,
for sure. I'm a big genuine guys. Like, I like being genuine, especially on camera.
For sure. That's the goal,
Shows
bro.
it, yeah.
Just being able to inspire people, bro.
Yeah, bro. That's it.
That's like
It's everything.
the best thing, dude.
But yeah, guys, we're gonna end the day in the life off. This is my first day in the life. It's actually a really cool video. It's one of my coolest days. I don't really do much, honestly. I trade, I work out, I get everything done, get my mind right, pray. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, one day you'll see both of us in a bigger, better,
One day this will be Miami.
more luxurious.
This watch will be a Rolex.
Everything's going to be bigger and better. And we're time stamping this right now just to show you guys that it is possible. Anything is possible in life. So on that note, I'm going to get out of here.
Yes, sir.
Shout out to my boy, CRV.
Yes, sir, bro.
Hit him up on his socials, CRV Trades, right?
CRV Trades on pretty much everything.
Yeah, hit him up. Subscribe to him on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. This is going to conclude the day in the life, the first one. Let me know if you guys want more. I'm going to be posting a lot more on YouTube, better quality. You know, I'm really trying to up it for you guys. As you know, we're getting a little bit bigger, so I'm going to have to. But yeah, guys, that is it, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Peace out, boys. Subscribe.
Outside with my niggas, we doing the most. Grabs on the table, yeah, I been gone. At the base and shorty, she trumping it over.